You can say hi?
Why?
Because
It's your YouTube channel.
Yeah, but it's also yours. Whoa, whoa, man. Hey, I'm gonna get in the back. Oh, man. Whoa, how am I gonna get in the back? I am just trying to get in the back of my dad's pickup right now. And, oh, he's starting. He's starting. And I am riding in the back. And there's a person mowing over there. And I'm just heading over to my backyard. And we just stopped to eat it.
Now we're gonna weed eat.
Tell the YouTubers that.
We're gonna eat weedy.
Ooh. I know a good place where we can see you. Hi, fans. And right now, I'm just we're watching my dad weed eat. I do kind of like it more in the shade. Whew, we do need to actually cut down some trees down here.
Huh?
We actually do need to cut down some trees.
Come cut down some trees.
Are we done?
Huh?
Are we done?
No.
I think this is a little too boring for them. So I'm just walking. My dad is just walking, and you can see my tree house right there. That's not really my tree house, but some people are letting me use it. And there's a pond we fishing over there.
You gonna take it over to the pond and show it?
Yep. There's the pond we have, and I'm just here out making my first video with my dad. And so I'm just a normal kid making a video and having lots of fun. And if you're wondering what I'm climbing right now, I'm just climbing in my dad's car because how hot I am. Not just because of that, for some water. And I got a GoPro. Oh. So here's all the sticks we got. And here it goes. And we're starting. And we're starting the journey. And we're starting the journey. There's the chicken coop and all of our gates. Sure is a fun time. Sure is a fun time on farm life. Oh.
Do what?
I said it sure is a fun time on farm life. Why is that one on there?
Because I set it there yesterday.
For this?
Yeah, because it was over here.
Well, me and my daddy are starting our journey again. And I'm sorry I paused you guys. This is our third video. We're not posting. We might post all of them, but. Whew. So here's the burn pile. You guys can drop everything off. I'm gonna throw some. Okay, these things are massive. I guess not. Okay, I'll just be recording. And so we are going. Mama, are you ready to say hi to the YouTubers?
Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry it's a little blurry, but.
Hi.
So this is my mom.
Hi, Mom.
And I'm in my garage right now. Sorry, it's kind of a mess. It's kind of a disaster, actually. And so,
We're still unpacking because we just moved 3 months ago.
and we're still unpacking.
Yes, we are.
And so,
Andy.
oh, and there's our little cat. Andy, come here.
I need to reline his.
Hey, get over here. Andy. Come here. Ooh, now here's my little
Are you gonna
cat.
use this one at all times?
Yeah, I'm gonna use it. I'm good. Mama? Here's actually what my mom's in. She's not blurry anymore. I'm sure it's blurry. I do not know how that happened, but it got blurry.
Okay.
So, now it's time. Here's my, Jax, Tito. Here's my dog. Hey, get over here, Jax. Here's my big dog, Jax. Hi, Jax. Hi. Hey. Here's my little dog, Tito. Say hi. Okay, right now he's just walking around me. I do not know why, but he's just walking around. I've just been having a good day today. If you have, please leave a comment. At least one comment on one of these videos, please. At least one. Just getting. Oh, and I guess my pole's rigged up. Is it rigged up, Daddy?
Yep, you got your grub worm on it again. A little jig.
I can't really high five. Well, clap, so that's what I can do right now. So, what are we going over there in?
We're walking.
I'm not.
Huh?
I'm not.
What do you mean?
I'm taking my tractor. Yeah? I'm sure. I'm sure, Ether. Hi fans, it's me again, Titus, and this is on the same day. I'm sweating hot. If you see my teacher red, just comment below. My teacher red, and I'll just if you know what?